If you are new to how to make money online, or you just want to have another side hustle that can earn you extra income in the online space without any technical skill, any prior experience, or any stress at all. So in this video today, I have like 5 different Fiverr gigs that you can sell as a service, and you can make money for yourself with ease without any technical skills, like I said, and you can make this cool cash to yourself. I'm not promising you any money. This is a disclaimer. If you put in the right information, right action, you are going to make money, but I'm not promising you any amount of your choice that you are going to make within any period of time. The only thing I guarantee is if you put this right and you understand how this works and you follow the exact process that I'm going to show to you in this video today, you are eligible to make the money for yourself and straight to your bank account to yourself, right? So I have 5 different Fiverr gigs that you are going to sell today, and you are going to make money for yourself if you put it in the right way. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr is like a freelance marketplace where you go to sell a service. In exchange for money, you sell your service to people and you get this to your money. So if you don't know how to set up your Fiverr account or seller account, or maybe you are facing the challenge of Fiverr seller account wasn't approved, check this video showing up right here and learn how you can open your Fiverr account with ease from anywhere in the world, right? So if that being said, guys, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, because over the time I'm going to be sharing more videos like this that's going to help you and put you on track to make money in the online space with you, so you can leverage on them and give me feedback about your earnings, right? The only thing I'm motivated about on this channel is to be part of your success story, which is why I'm coming over right here. I dish out the knowledge that I've tried out that works for me, so you too can put it out there and make some money for yourself and get the exact same results, right? With that being said, guys, let's jump on screen and I show you what these skills are, right? Now, one thing we are going to sell is privacy policy for websites. So you know, a lot of people have a website, but they don't have time. They might not even know what privacy and policy is, but you are going to help them write this, because it's almost a must for every website to have a privacy policy page and terms and conditions. So this is what you are going to sell as a service. Now let's jump over to Fiverr right here, as you can see. So let's put that in and see how many people are doing this and what's the chance of making money. So I'm going to put privacy policy. All right, so let's put that in. You can see right here is just 1,200 people that is selling this service. As you can see right here, if my Fiverr quick view load up, we are going to see everybody that have gotten order. You can see this person have done like 93, 144, 34, 63, and this is something you can leverage on. This person even have 2 order on queue, and every of this person right here have gotten their order. You can check them out, you can see it yourself. And people, this person charged $45 and he has done 1,000 plus. That's around $4,500, right, from this service alone. So it's something you can go out there, but you might be asking, you don't know how to write this. Don't worry, got you. I'm going to give you everything that you need to do this perfectly. Now, like I said, privacy policy, you can set that as a gig, and you can set terms and conditions or terms of service as another gig on your account. Now, the tools that you are going to use to write this is called H Super Tools. You can see it right here, H Super Tool, which is hsuper.tools, right? So this is a powerful tool I've been using online to make money for myself, whether as an add-on to do something or I use it to deliver the service I'm trying to do, right? So now, how do you get here? How do you use these tools when you get an order for this? All you need to do is to come over to hsupertools.com, scroll all the way down till you see, you can see right here, image converter editor. So you can even check this out and see if you can come up with a service you can sell on Fiverr and you can make money for yourself. And you can see right here, SEO analyzing, you can see it right here. It's something you can do. But here's where we are going to go to legal content generator tools. You can see privacy policy generator. So all you need to do, I'm going to open this in a new tab, and once I open this in a new tab right here, you are going to see it's just going to ask for website name and website URL, the email. So these are the information you are going to request from your clients as your requirement, as your gig requirement. So I'm going to put in Black Hustler right here, Black Hustler Academy. Then URL, I'm going to copy my website URL right here. I'm going to copy my website URL right here, and I'm going to paste it right there. Then I'm going to input my email, which is i@theblackhouselaacademy.com.ng. So this is one of my emails. So I'm going to click generate privacy policy, and you can see in few sec our privacy policy is ready. Now you are going to do something before you deliver this. All you need to do is to copy all of this, then you come back to your Google Drive, Google Documents. I'm going to open a new tab right here. It's called Google docs.google. I am going to click on the blank documents right here. So once you get over to this page, all you need to do is just paste this, and now you are going to do formatting. Now you can see this is like H means headline. So this is going to be like headline. You can see headline. Now I'm going to drop this down. Then I'm going to, you can see P means paragraph, and you can see it right here. B means bold, and I'm just trying to explain everything so you can understand this, right? So now I'm just going to remove this, and just going to remove this as well. Then I'm going to do the formatting a little bit. So I'm going to bold this. Then I'm going to increase the size to fit, as you can see right there. Then I'm going to just proceed right here. You can see B. You can see B. So you take your time to do this. You are going to bold this email. You are going to bold this email. Then you remove the remaining formats. Now you can see files. Okay, you can see this. It's still like a command. Then you drop this down as a paragraph. Then that's how you can do this. You can see right here. So this is how you format this, and once everything is done perfectly, you correct where necessary, like as you can see me doing with Grammarly. Once this is done, then you just need to come over right here, download it as Word document and PDF, then deliver it as 2 formats to your clients. Then you are good to go. Whether it's terms and condition or terms of service or maybe privacy policy, you are good to go. The number 2 skills is GetResponse, right? So let's come over to Fiverr. You are going to be GetResponse, Mailchimp, Aweber, ConvertKit, maybe Go High Level, any of those software, email marketing software. You are going to be their virtual assistant to do this for them, to design the email, send the email out, or maybe you want to help them like build a landing page on that email. So it's just drag and drop that you can do. And I'm just going to show you the possibility of you making money with this skill. So let's put GetResponse right here. The GetResponse, as you can see right here. So if I put in GetResponse, you can see only 764 people is rendering this service, and you can see this person has done $50 for 70 jobs, and here $10 with 8 jobs. And as you can see, everybody right here is growing faster. You can see. So this is another thing that you can say. Is just they are going to give you their login details, and all you need to do is just do what they ask you to do. Maybe it's to write the email, which you can use AI for, or maybe you are going to design the templates for their email, or maybe you are going to build the landing page or opt-in page, which you can use drag and drop on each of these tools to build, and it's just something easy to do. And the number 3 skills that you are going to sell on Fiverr to make money is called Spokesperson video. It's just your client is going to give you a script or maybe a word or something that you just record a video like this, and you just do that for them and you deliver. So it's just something simple. Let me show you the possibility of this. Spokesperson, if I put spokesperson on Fiverr, you are going to see just 3,200 results, which is something you can leverage on right now. As you can see, people are just making video for people and they are getting paid. You can see this person have 16 order in queue, 6. So this is something you can do. All you need to do is just clean your phone camera, put it on a tripod, or maybe you can just put it on a stand, or even tell your friend to hold this for you. Or especially you can even put straight to your window and just record a video like this where you read everything that they want you to read, and then you are good to go to make money. And you can see you can charge between $10 to almost $200 right here. The number 4 thing that you can sell on Fiverr to make money right now is lyrics video. It's just about you getting the audio or maybe video from them, then you do the lyrics, then you do another video as in lyrics. All you need to do is just go over to CapCut. So let me show you the possibility first before I tell you how to render this service. So if I come over to do this, lyrics, lyrics video. There's the lyrics video. You can see right here just 2,700 people rendering this service. 2,700 people rendering this service, right? So it's just something you can do, and all you need to do is to take the video or the audio, take it over to CapCut. Then you generate a background from pesos.com, download the background, put it on CapCut, then upload the sound, then just click on auto generate caption. Once this is done, just listen to the music, follow the caption and correct where necessary, and voila, you are done with that. And the fifth one that I'm going to give you as bonus and something that you are going to leverage on that's going to make you money is, before I tell you that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, and we grow more together so we can scale up in the online space and make money together for ourselves. The number 5 one that I'm going to mention is data entry and web research. This is just basically helping people or collect data or scraping internet for additional leads, or maybe leads for their business, or maybe they are trying to do cold email, target audience marketing. I just need to help them scrape this contact and you give them the results. Now, how are you going to do this, right? So you are going to come over to your extension. If I come over right here, all you need to do is type Chrome Web Store. So if I click on Chrome Web Store, you can see right here, then you are going to put instant data scraper. You can see it right here. So just download this, add it to your Chrome. As you can see right here, I just add it to my browser. Then how are you going to proceed and get this work done? All you need to do, you can see right here, I'm going to pin it right here. Now, how are you going to get this work done? If they ask you to generate 1,000 emails of people, of doctors in United States, maybe New York, for example, all you need to do right here is just come over to Google Map, come over to maps.google. So coming over to maps.google, you are going to click right here. Then you are going to put doctors in New York. Doctors in New York, right? So once you input doctors in New York, all you need to do now is to click on this. You can see now it's going to scroll. Then you are going to click locate next button. Then you scroll all the way down. So if you have multiple pages, you are going to align that with this, so it can read everything and scrape all of this data for you. It's just something easy to do. So I'm just going to try to scroll up all the way to the end of this page. As you can see, I'm still scrolling. So once you get to the end of the page, you are just going to allocate the next button, maybe the second page or anything. So if I click this again now, you are going to see infinity scroll. Then you can start scrolling. You can see it's even scraping already. If I put this like this, so you can see we have their ratings, their business name, and if I scroll to this side, you can see their phone numbers and their websites for people that have a website. So this is how you scrape data on the internet. And also, if I close this tab down, if I want to scrape email from LinkedIn of these same doctors, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to come over to google.com. So if I put Google, so you are going to come over to google.com homepage. All you need to do now is to put this command sites. Then you can see it right here. Then you are going to put column, then the website you want to scrape from, the niche, maybe doctors, then the state, then at gmail.com. If I click on this, it's going to scrape. You can see it right here. It's going to show everything right here. And all you need to do now, assuming you are scraping from Google, is to highlight this Ctrl A straight up, and you come over to light14.us, as you can see right here. So if I come over to light14.us, you are going to see this page. You are going to see this. Now you are going to paste everything you've copied. Then you click on this. Then you change it to new line. Then you extract. As you can see, 3 email is here. So once you do this for every of the pages on this search bar, you are going to have bulk email that you can deliver to your clients. Whether it's any niche they want you to do this, or any country, any states, any location, or any niche, you are good and you can deliver this service perfectly. So once you are done with everything, you just take it over to your Excel sheet or Google Sheet. Then once you get on there, just put it in a spreadsheet like that, paste it there, download it, and deliver to your client. Now, these are the 5 new skills that you can sell on Fiverr that can make you money every other day on Fiverr. So if you enjoyed this video and if you like this kind of content and you want more like this, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, drop a comment about your experience in the online space. Let me know your pain points. I can make a video addressing that and help you scale your skills in the online space to make money for yourself, right? If that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay at peace and remain a subscriber of this channel. And also, don't forget to join my WhatsApp community with the very first link in the description below. And I will see you on the community where we talk more about stuff.